How to change password on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can change password on Messenger. So let's get started. First, open Messenger application on the device. Now once you are in, tap on this menu icon right here. Now tap on settings right here. You scroll down and you can see the account center right here. Tap on see more in account center. Now to do that, scroll down and you can see password and security right here. Tap on it. Now you can see change password option right here. You can also see where you are logged in from here in order to be sure where you are logged in. You can see you can detect where you are logged in and go back and just change your password so that you will be logged out from there. Tap on change password and choose your Facebook account and just enter your current password right here and enter your new password right here. Once you do that, tap on change password and your password will be changed. That's it. This is how easy it is to change password on Messenger. Hope this video helps you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.